Missy, do you have something to say for yourself? Asking all of those personal questions?
Well, actually, I asked them, because they said they didn't live together, neither of the couples. So I asked them if they happened to be either Southern Baptist or Presbyterian seminary students.
No, what I heard you say from here was you asked them if they were living together and fornicating.
I did not say that, Artie. You know that I didn't say that. You're imagining it.
Tara.
Artie.
These videos are getting more and more interesting. I mean, pretty soon we are going to have a following of detectives, a following of the police.
A following of Chris Wilson?
Yeah, well, we have that.
Yes, we do.
He's our one and only fan, I think.
No, Artie, there are many views of our videos, and talking about fornicating Southern Baptist seminary students could draw even more viewers.
I know. Well, that's kind of my ploy here.
Well, let's just quietly turn the camera to the left. Do those look like fornicating students? No, they do not. Artie, you are casting aspersions on both your co-host and the people she's interviewing.
Oh, I didn't mean to do it to the people you were interviewing. Just you.
And I definitely don't think that Sandy is fornicating. I think she's just sniffing for food. All right, let's really say goodnight because Graders is not on our stopping list tonight. I'm so stuffed I can't even move.
Yes. Okay.
Okay? See you next Monday.